Hello, welcome to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Nathan, and this is my 2010 BMW 335d, which if you watched the first video, you know how clapped this thing is. It is, well, very poor condition, but I have done quite a bit to spruce it up, and it does look good. But mechanically, though, it could use a number of things. Like in the first video, the air filters that you saw that were pretty dirty, and also I still have a check engine light, and that's because of the glow plug, so I'll have to address that in this video as well. But there's many service items which I'll be doing because this thing's been sitting on and off for the last couple of years, at least according to the previous owner, so I think it really needs a major maintenance overhaul. So I had the intake manifold removed, which is actually not that hard of a job. It was pretty much very similar to the one on my X5 35D. So I got that removed here, and now you can see the glow plugs here, all 6 of them. And then underneath here, this cooling flange, you have the module, which is sort of tucked away. Now, I am going to replace all the glow plugs and the module because the code I have for the check engine light is the module and glow plug number 3 here. So I feel like just all of them are the original. And at 140,000 kilometers, they should just be done. So about a year ago, I did the glow plugs on my X5 35D. I used this tool right here, which is pretty handy. And this is just using an 8mm socket. All right, let's try some pliers to see if I can get this thing out of here. Oh. A little bad. So this is a new genuine Bosch glow plug, and here's the old one. Okay, that's one. I'm gonna do the rest of them here, and then I'll show you guys afterwards. Okay, now I have all the new glow plugs installed. I'm gonna torque them down to 13 Newton meters. There we go, that's all done. So now I have to get to that module down there, which is always the fun part. Well, rather than make you guys watch me struggle to get this thing out, I'm just gonna do it, and I'll show you when I get it out. All right, after a slight bit of struggle, it's out. And here is the new one, it's the exact same one that I installed on my X5. Feels like deja vu all over again. New glow plugs in, new module in. That should get rid of the check engine light. Now onto the next thing. Wow, I was actually surprised how clean this oil filter was. I mean, this vehicle's been sitting off and on for so long that I thought it'd be collapsed, but it's actually surprisingly really good. And looking at the filter itself, I didn't see any metal flakes in it whatsoever, so that's a win. Alright, while we're under the car, we're also going to service the fuel filter as well. Usually these just come off. Genuine BMW, I don't think it's ever been changed. Okay, I'll put the seal on. You guys know from the very first video that this is absolutely disgusting. I mean, just look at that. Surprised the car can even breathe at all. All right, we'll get this in. Out with this disgusting old air filter and in with the new one, and look at the color difference. Like, that is absolutely disgusting. I'm so glad I'm not gonna be breathing in this garbage anymore. With everything put back together, with the air filter done for both the engine side and the cabin side, fuel filter, everything is in tip-top shape. And not to mention oil change, the 335d here is what I consider to be now mechanically sorted. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please be sure to hit the thumbs up button and also consider subscribing. That way you don't miss any future content like this and other car projects and car reviews on my channel. Until next time, take care. Bye now.